Hello, everyone. Welcome to Aeons Space and welcome back. So I would like to start this with a disclaimer. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, and nothing that you gain from this series are to be perceived as advice on your financials. So this is just purely for educational purposes. So I'm gonna share the window, the entire screen. The infinity window, and let's have a look at the trading our trading journal. What's in store for today? I'm thinking about talking about if markets are efficient or not, or at least where you can actually find something about it. What is that all about? Efficiency, inefficiency. And let's start by. Also, I want to show you my best trade card. This was from previous, yeah, doesn't matter. And let's then, as a start of this series, as usual, let's look at the trades that were or are still running and how they went and what's up with that. So let's go, let's go to the paper trading. So my real account is not looking that good, huh? Let's see how it goes the next days. Try that. I hate those little things popping in the screen, but yeah, that's it. So we had, well, we don't have trades anymore. So let's have a look at the assets. What might have happened? Okay, 103K, 300, that's nice. I don't think that was the previous result, right? So we are up 3K, almost 3K. Nice. So the trades went well, for sure. So let's go back. Let's see the trade. Let's see. Yeah, come on. Oh, okay. Doesn't want to. Is it this one? Okay, might be. The first one is ETH, right? I assume that it was one of them. Let's have a look. We were with Ethereum and NOT, and we captured profit on NOT. Let's start with NOT. Actually, I prefer to start with NOT because we captured, right? We captured some profit there with NOT. Oh, and look at this beauty. Look at it. Again. Look. So was a long trade. I don't have space to show in minutes. Let's show in 15, in bars of 15. So we entered there. We went a bit suffering through, but our stop loss space was really really there in the exact place that we needed it to be. And then it just pumped and went through. And we have our test, our test of the level. Yes, we have it, and then distribution, right? And we're still there in distribution. So this was nice. This was like what a lower low, lower high. What was it? No. So it was, yeah, it was what it was. So amazing, very good trade. So let's have a screenshot of this. I don't know why today my words are not coming. English is not my native language, but good enough. Don't go away. So where do we put the trades? We put them after the equity. Okay, let's put there then. This was our ETH, so one win. Okay, I need to do something about that. Normal text, okay. So we have one win, and that's ETH. So how are we recording this? So we're recording like that. Okay, let's just copy everything because then it's easier. Okay. And then we do the totals. So trades ETH finished, right? And let's do TP because that implies it was finished. So take profit for anyone new coming to this. Take profit. So and then we have here some profit captured, but now we need to figure out our profit for this trade. Let's see if it's if we can do it. Oh, was it ETH? No, sorry, I'm confused. This is not USDT. Yeah, it was take profit. We had taken a partial profit, like around, I don't know, around somewhere around this part. It would be nice to have that symbol, but they don't have it. Same thing all the time. They don't show. Yeah. And then we can make it. Wait. So weird. What a bug. Okay. So we do not have this display, this trade history. Unfortunately, sometimes it appears, sometimes it doesn't. I just I will not spend time with that. It doesn't matter. Eventually, we'll move to the trading view. Eventually, yeah, and I might have news today actually about that, about new instruments. But let's see. We have this. I want to see the profits. So let's try to figure out if I can have a look at the profits. Yeah, not. Okay. These two. So this was the take profit from 30, and this is the TP, the take profit from today, actually in the morning at 3 a.m. So that was nice. That was really nice. So let's copy this and let's bring it there to the bottom of our, yeah. Actually, yeah, okay. Yes, it was. Yeah, okay, let's print screen then. I prefer the colors. Just my thing. I just need that. Okay, let's bring it there. Also to the bottom. And this way we know exactly how much we had. So I also want to do something fit. Yes, cool. Cool, because now we can all see. I suppose you can as well. I hope. Otherwise, just if someone is there, just let me know in the chat, okay? Can I take this out? Interesting. I mean, most people probably do this with two screens and the chat goes to one screen and they, but I don't. Yeah. Okay. And then we had, I guess we have ETH. So this one was not, and not gave us, so it gave us, we already had the 378.7 previously. Yeah, I guess with the, sorry, with this, with the minus the fee was what we want, what we had. I don't like this duplicated. I don't know why it's duplicated, but I captured profit exactly there. So since we already had, let's say that this session had 0, right? And we need to go on back. Okay, it had 0, had nothing new. Had nothing new. Okay, so in our current session, we actually have already added this, right? Now we add 1, 0, 12, force, yeah. So we add, let me put 1, 0, 12 dot 464. Let's come here and let's just add this later. Come on, different formats. Okay, so next one, and we have 1 win. Nice. That we already knew it was a win. So we already knew it was a win. Did I add it? I added, right? Yes. I knew it was a win, so I added. I considered this a win because I had taken profit in an SL, so I cannot consider a win anymore. We need to be fair. Fair play, fair play. Okay. So far, we already counted that as a win previously. Might start not doing that because then it confuses and the trading journal becomes a little bit weird and funky. Okay, now let's go see the other one. I guess everyone is very eager to understand what happened with ETH. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Right? Look at that. And actually, yeah, no, this was another one. Sorry. Okay, ETH. This one, I remember, I think I left. So let's look at the image again because we need to be reminded of the setup. So what was ETH? This is ETH. I left, exactly. I left both. I said wherever it's, I hope there's a level, right? And my thesis was that it would gonna test again. I was a bit afraid it would pierce through here and test then after, like, swinging through. But it didn't do that. It actually went, yes, beautifully, as we intended. Like, okay, this was, I mean, beautiful. So we entered there, went down, but there was a level there that we supported into. Then we went to the next level support, the next level. Then we pierced one above, and started acting support again. We were gaining levels here. And the next level is here, right? And look, it pierced through and wanted to support there, but it fell and it's now here doing this. But this was a brilliant move. I mean, who could expect this? If I was awakened at 4 a.m., I could have actually captured a little bit more because I would make a trick of canceling the take profit, and as this moves up, I would just let it go through. And if of course if it bounced and came back, I would then just close like right away there. So that was beautiful. Let's also take a snapshot. I would like to capture the preceding movement as well, a little bit like that. Yes, let's capture that. So how many days was this analysis based on, right? I don't know. These guys, they do UIs like, I don't know. their playground, basically. Yeah. So this one comes here, and now let's take the profit that we've made. Should I make one like that? No, I don't think we need. Oh, yeah, I like to see things like keep record of volumes and whatnot. That's important. It's important, yes. And the MACD, and let's keep on. We just need to know that it's the same one. Okay, let's do that by saying that this is one and this is the other one. And ETH, Ethereum, we took profit and we didn't have a partial one. So we had more profit in this one. Let's screenshot the profit. And now, beautiful 1.6K of profit. That was amazing. I mean, only wish it was really funny, right? It's sooner than it used to be. So this is 1.594. Yep, 0.8542. So now let's bring this up and let's put it there. So we have also plug this. Yeah, so we made 2.5K in a couple of days. If you have 100K, you can do this. I'm happy. There will be tough days. Today, not one of them. So let's do calculation. And let's add plus 2.454 plus 594.8542. So do we have the same amount that we see on the exchange? Not quite. Sneaky. What's this? What are they? So yeah, we do this. There's no other way. We carry on with that. Probably some fees or something. Sneaky. Imagine how much they can. Oh, I will not think that they do this, because otherwise it would be tough. But with these amounts, I mean, who can keep track, right? But people should. Yeah. Okay, so we have now this, but how are we gonna now know how much? Should I minus the previous one? Should I do this minus previous one? I'll do that, because otherwise we don't get good results. I mean, we will not know. 7 to 1. If we have to do this many times, I'm gonna start feeling suspicious. Okay. So this was the amount. Okay, we have that. This was the amount that we made. Now let me just do one quick thing. Let me see how much are missing. It's how my mind works. I like these things. So okay. So we have that. Now minus 601.7917. So how much is 5.5? Why? So it's missing 5.5165. Well, okay, let's do this. Let me see. Because I want to keep track of that. To be fair, I don't like these things going on like that. Yeah, let's keep track. So we made 2, 6, 1, 7, 9, 1. Okay, that's the session result. That's how we made. Repeat this one. Amazing, right? So yeah, this was calculated from PNLs. Calculated from equity difference. Okay. Yeah, so amazing. It was a brilliant day. I'll hope to multiply this kind of day. And now we have 3 to compound. Let's hope. Let's hope. So if I have some audience. Hello, Job. Yes, I'm doing fine. You? How are you? I think there's some delay going on. So I would now like to, if Shab is still there, perhaps, yes, cool, awesome. Perhaps we can actually do a find that he tells coin or something like that. I would like to, I don't know, magic or something. And we'll do the analysis for you. And if good, we'll make a trade. How about that? Shall we? So if I do you have do you want to do analysis on a certain? Yeah. Okay. Good luck. Good luck searching for that. Yep. So let's carry on then and look at some other coin. Probably Sol. Sol is a nice one. Let's see. So basically, if you do not know, this is yeah, cool. This is like I'm doing trading in a demo account, and I'm trying to show or try to figure out if this is profitable or not. So I'm learning how to trade, or I did that for 2 months, and I'm trying to do live trades and set them up at least live. And so far it worked well. So I have a trading journal, right? And so far it worked well because we've grown from 100K to we've grown 3K. So it's going well. Doesn't mean it will always work well, but let's see how it goes. Yeah. So let's go on and do an analysis on Sol and see what's going on. The market has moved today, actually. I like that. Have some real trades going on. Some volumes, something. So this was yesterday, this is today. Let's carry on. So let's start with weeklies. I haven't done Sol yet, so let's do the levels. Okay, we're there. So the levels that interest us are around the green line, which is the price line. And we might need to look at, okay, this, let's do it silver. This and that. There. This one as well. And I like this one. don't have anything else around the price. We have that one. We do have. Okay, let's use it as well. We have these levels. Then let's go to the price where it is currently. And think about, are there any other levels that we can add around the price? I see this one. So this one touched the previous level. That's good. We have some price action that actually behaved as intended in the levels. Now let's do this one. Yes, one. Oh, that's the daily today. I think that's from dailies. Yes, don't have any much, or we don't have much more to do here. We might just have a consideration of the whole overall picture of what's been the history of Solana. Have a look. Okay. So we're still all waiting for it to again or test all-time high. A couple of years ago, like 21, November 21. These are the weeklies. So we should go to the dailies now. Let's go to the dailies. Okay. How does it look like? Just so I'm gonna disclose where I am from out of privacy concerns, but feel free to engage and look at the content and whatnot. Okay, so we're here. We have this low. Might be interesting. Just because it touched there. And then it becomes very crowded and cluttered. If we carry on, I mean, we had the level touching there as well, so we don't have much more to do. I think all levels are settled from the dailies as well. Weeklies and dailies, they're done. We do have here some, I mean, but I don't think they're significant actually. So let's have a look at more. Let's see. Let's see the. Let's remove that one and see the hours. There you go. You have price behaving very beautifully through levels. Some support going on, right? And then it bounces here on a level. It has some resistance from this level here. Supports a little bit there, right? We can see that. Supports a little bit, goes in between the level, so from one to the other. Resists, doesn't pass through, and now it's bouncing through weaker levels. So these are weeklies and a daily. So it went from weekly levels, right? From 2 weekly levels, and then it's bouncing now currently through here. Let me think about this. So perhaps just look at the 4 hours. See if there's something going on there. Yeah, we have here something. So let's capture that one. This is 4 hours. So the 4 hours, I wanna change the color for something else. Let's do them red. No, not red. Yeah, good. 4 hours. Yep, and we have also another one there from the 4 hours. Let's see if they have any consequence. All right, let's see. So let's move to the 1 hour. And I don't think, I mean, no, I don't think it matters. No. I mean, I want to scalp, so let's go to the 15 minutes. Yeah, see, it has some, yes, we have some consequence from that level, from those two levels actually. Here, touching, yeah, we do. So now we're in the 15 minutes, and as we see, it's going sideways, right? Most people would think, I don't touch this. There's nothing to be made here, but I love these situations because if you consider what the price is doing, and if you expect it will maintain like that, and you consider then the oscillations of price, then you might play a little bit with it. Like you could, for instance, think about long from this level and shorting from that one. Now, of course, it could go through level one up, and so you do this, you pause here and just go up. And there you go, on top. But usually, I mean, how many times did you test? That's important. Because if you test, like you tested 3 times already, so next time it could go through. So and the market is tricky. I mean, let's Bitcoin then. So Bitcoin is doing well. It's going down now, right? So it seems possible bouncing through here. I think I did analysis for this place, right? Some levels here are lacking. I did a bunch of other places, but not here. Okay, so this what's doing, and it probably will go down a little bit more and bounce there as well. Might do this. Might do here bounces and not going like that. Probably bounces. And do this for a while. It's getting late. Well, through the night, and then when the Asian session starts, this is is it? Oh, this is the morning. Asian session starts around there. So yeah, it will do this, and chances are it will go up. Actually, now I think it will go up. Just because of what it has been doing, right? There's a lot of buying pressure, and it's getting to the 64 levels, 4.5. That's a good one. So okay, so personally, I'm gonna leave my personal trades open with real money, and because I expect them to be up in the morning and then close them in the morning. So let's have a look here. So if this is the case, I would go longing, I would go shorting. And we could, I mean, we need to wait for it. I would say something like this. Not short, but long. I would say we enter somewhere here. We wait for the price to touch there. And then enter like give it a little bit wiggle room, 3.5 or something. Yeah. Like that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do this. It might be that we lose it because the price goes up, right, and doesn't wait for us. But I prefer that than actually. Let's see. Would I be losing? A little. No, I might allow for this 2.5, but I don't want to do less. Okay, so yeah, price could, but I don't know. Yeah, okay, let's do it. Let's do a limit order for that price, which is this one, entry price of our tool. Right. Let's do. Yeah, has a. Yeah. Let's see how much money we lose if it hits stop loss. We would lose not much, almost 700. I mean, we could allow for more now. Okay, so 700. I would say I'm gonna allow the double the loss. Yeah, I think 1.5k is good. So we might do times 2. It's 12,000, but yeah, 1,300. Yeah. So let's see how much is that. Yep. Let's add. I don't know, 400. How much? Yeah. Well, is the price okay? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sounds good. I'm gonna do it. Stop level and now the profit level. Okay. Profit, how much would we would win if we reach the take profit? Around almost 4k. That's a juicy one. So let's see how it goes. Let's add our order. It was 10x, yes. How much are we capturing? So we would capture 17%, which is fine. I mean, it's fine. Yeah, the margin would be about 22k, so we can do like 4 trades like this. So we could find another one actually to do. We'll see if this one enters, and then if yeah, how it goes. I think we have a nice place there. I don't see the price. Well, it has been a while since the price went under our stop loss. Seems to have good buying pressure. It was already there, and what, 4 days ago. I like it. I like it. So let's leave that. Let's hope. Yeah, it does the same. Actually, we wanted to do what it has been doing. Right? That's nice. Okay. Next one. So what should we do? No. What should we do? Should we do now? Not again. Not. Okay. I don't think it will go. It tested already. Came back. It was in the downtrend. It might go down again. Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't like that. So no, doesn't give. Yeah, because why? Because there's, I mean, there's a valley here, another little valley there. I don't want that. I want to avoid it. Not sure. When we were here, it was different. We were resisting, and I thought, yes, as we were resisting in the past, we might again. But now, no, I don't like it. Okay, let's try to figure out something then for us to do. other than that. Cat. Let's Popcat. How is Popcat going? Let's try something. Popcat perpetual. Let's go. Yeah, we're in the 15. Oh, I like what's happening. I like it. So why do I like it? It would have been amazing if we entered there. There were some ways we could have done. But right now, Popcat is a kind that has this tendency to oscillate a lot, right? Oscillate really a lot. And you can capture if you're not okay, if you're okay with losing one or two times, but winning like 3 or 4, then this is the thing for you to do. And I was thinking about doing some scalping, but I don't think this is good for scalping here. The latest price action is a bit disappointing. Yes, it is disappointing. There were times, though, in the past that Popcat was amazing. But it has stopped being like that. Yeah, it used to do this like oscillations that were perfect, beautiful, and you could enter and just capture them. I think everyone started to take notice. So a little bit like this, oscillating, and you can capture those. Okay, let's move back. I think I have something I could show you. Yeah. So this is what I'm talking about. These are the oscillations that are beautiful that Popcat used to do like that, and then within it would have even more beautiful ones. And this was these are my trades, all my trades going through. So this one was a trade that I've made, the one that I discussed in the first episode, actually. Yeah. Let's see if I can zoom in. Can I? I should be able to zoom in, right? Okay. Okay. Yes, I think I bought 3 times, something like that. I don't recall. Or sold, like bought from here because I was shorting. Yeah. And yeah, I shorted there, then I shorted here. Right. Then I bought here, then it went up and I was thinking, yes, amazing, cool. Then I think I woke up and saw it was down. And it was, yeah, and I thought it would revert and I bought, and then I suffered a little bit through there, but then it did this, like it just started going up. So I entered, I had my entry point at 03667, and it was already at 4462, and it went up and even further down, further up. So that's like one of my best trades because it yielded 220% at 10x. So the coin grew 22%. That was impressive. Super cool. Really loved it. Yeah, of course, I'm trading small accounts, very little money. Must have earned like $20 or something. You saw that it was doing $10 there. So yeah, not very fanciful, but gives us some idea of what things are for when we bring a little bit more money. So you should never do derivatives with all your savings. Bet a lot of money because you'll probably lose at the beginning a lot. You'll wipe out your accounts, so be careful. That's why I'm doing small accounts. I'm doing small accounts. So first, you need to learn. So let's look at other coins. I think I came late today because the time was a couple hours ago and everything started going up. Now everything just went like the market breathed and it just inhaled a lot and everything grew and now it's exhaling. So things are going down, down, down. Oh, this is so this crash. This is 50, 31%, 31%. Come on, FT. Red 10% down. So FT. Will be delisted. Okay. Disclose your open positions and cancel your active orders. Of course, it's done. Poor guys. Products when they get delisted, it's endgame, I think. Much they can do. Why? Oh boy, what happened here? It's like Luna. Luna. Yeah. Luna. Luna coin. Or Luna coin crash. There's no Luna version 2, but this was interesting. So yeah, I want to see the chart, crash charts. It was amazing. I mean, amazing. It's yeah, 5 charts. So let's see. I'll share this. I'll share the link actually because I find it amazing. It's a story of perfect things. If you're caught with this, handing this, holding this, you watch. If you have 1K of this, you'll have in a couple of minutes or something. You'll have 0. So yeah. So it has something to do with the UST collapse. UST was the previous. It was not previous. It was something before USDT, which is United States dollar tether. This was US tether, I think, something like that, and it crashed because they had a problem with the reserves. Yes, something. Yeah, you need to read through. And Luna was correlated with it somehow. I don't recall exactly. But what's interesting is you have the Luna price and the UST price, right? UST was pegged at $1, as it should be because it was tethered. But then it just crashed, like suddenly. Its value just plummeted. So if you were holding like we hold today USDTs, and you were holding your USDTs or USTs, and you had like 1K, suddenly you would be with 0. So that's why you shouldn't even. I mean, you should be very careful about the money you put in these things. Really careful. Okay. Yeah, Luna Foundation guard reserve balance over time. So they had some reserves, BTC and USD, but somehow it plummeted. But what I wanted to show was the actual final graph of it. It was amazing, amazing. Yeah, this one. Let's see. I'd love to. Historical data. Okay, probably this one. We'll have it. Nope, I don't see how to go to the chart. Okay. It still exists. This thing still exists. It seems so. Okay, let's go to the dailies. Dailies, please. Are you showing me the dailies? I think, where was it? What the heck? I cannot read this. Okay. Was it there? Something around there? Oh, I think it is. I think this is the event. So, I want to show you guys this. I mean, this is impressive. Luna was at around, so in a couple hours, it went from 0.003 to 0.001, which basically implies that you lost 99%. So, okay, let's say 0.004, and then you lost around roughly 97% or something from there. But look, it spiked impressively 15. It was, I mean, how much was it again? Like, spiked. You're still seeing close the candle at 1.5. If I saw something like this, I would close everything. Like right now. And of course everyone did that, and probably like shorted. If you shorted this, you'd be a millionaire within, yeah, it went to 14. So look, from 0.04, right, to 14. This is one of the most interesting episodes in crypto, and I do think people should look at it. So I'll share this. You'll have to look through the dates where the event occurred, and this will be shared as well. Yeah, it was amazing. So let's get back here. Yeah, somehow it reminded me of but it has nothing to do. Something happened definitely, but LFT, yeah. I mean, it could have been, it lost 40% of the value. Okay, it could have been the event that triggered the delisting, or a news about the delisting or something. This is 1 minute candle, so probably might have been the news, indeed. So look at the sad history of this. So it gets listed, everyone is super happy, right? Probably was hacked or something. I don't know. I don't want to say things I don't know. So, but that's history of this is because these are days, right? And it goes up, went to 0.5, almost 0.6, then went down, fine, force it go up again, and crashed here. I mean, this, but okay, it tried again, and big crash, and then again another big crash. I mean, this is typical from when teams, developers that are holding, or developers and team project members and whatnot, they hold large amounts of the coin, and they just, when they get listed, they dump the coin to get money fast. So that's a problem. Yeah, this was, and this was at night, 1 a.m. So weird. 11, 12, this was during the day. Okay, I will not touch this. Let's look at others. Probably a meme coin. Pepe. I used to do Pepe for a while. Okay, I like that. Seems cool. Nice. Okay, so I'll bring something here. I'll bring Dungeon channels. No, I don't like as much because we're not in extremities, and I don't want to short it. I'll explain that later in another episode. What I use dungeon channels for. Yeah, I'll explain another time. So, do we have some envelopes or something here? Let me close the dungeon channels. Probably we need to bring it down to 2 as well. Probably be my bad length. Much. Let's do 20. Let's do 10. 10 would be better. And these guys, they need to also close. Yes, I like that. But now we don't have much we can do. So how about wait? No, simple. Yeah. Okay, so let's try. What was it again? Did 50? Yes, smooth. Smooth too much, probably 30 then. And then I can actually bring it a little bit. Yes, that's it. Because I want to know when the price touches these sides of envelope, right? Because I want to know when it comes when it might be probable for it to come to the middle. But I don't see an entry point anywhere. I don't see it. So we might look for another one like Wifu. Yeah. Also, I don't want to short it. I'd love to get it like in a position like that, but this was beautiful. Beautiful tray there. And probably the envelope needs to be a bit more space. I might need to bring it a little more into. I don't like this envelope for others. There's one that I have in team in trading view. Yeah, because this. I mean, look at the level, right? Levels. This was a nice trade. This would be a beautiful trade. Also, from here, I have to look at this more often. And now, what shall it happen? Oh, interesting. Okay, so I might be trying to find something just for the sake of finding something. I don't like that. Let's not do that. Position is ugly. Needs to be in the level. I don't like that. Okay, so if I don't find anything else, then I'll not jump into bonk. Let's see bonk. Yeah, another one. I think the market is pumping. How's Bitcoin going? Still there, right? I'll leave this here because let's see how it goes. And then we can see if the prediction was correct. I don't have levels, I don't have anything. No, I'll not work on this. Also, volume spiked here. What happened? Damn. This was a beginning. What was? No. This is like New York session. Is it London? Westerners. And now then it went down. Everyone closed the shop. Now it's going up again. Okay, nice, interesting. So this makes me very curious about my trades, how they're going. But before we go through, I'll have a look at, yeah, I've done that. So talk about science. Markets efficient. Yeah, let's see. Efficiency in markets, what is that all about? So our trade didn't kick in. I think we've lost that trade. Yeah, it left without us, probably. Yes. Yeah, there you go. Oh, but yeah, it was just, if had we seen it previously, like, this is the 15 minutes. If I had started 15 minutes earlier, we would be there. It would be beautiful, beautiful trade. But we started there, so yeah, I think, honestly, I don't know. I think I might close it because yeah, usually it doesn't test more than 3 times. Not entirely sure. Because you know what, I'm gonna leave it because of these things. It doesn't go there, but comes back down. Then it goes. So let's leave it. Let's see what's in store for us. I have something, even though I think it will go through. Yeah, I might have a look in the middle of the night and see what happened and decide. Because if it goes through, I don't want it going back again, because it could be making another. So the setup might be invalidated. Because if price does, so this is the thing of going to sleep and not knowing exactly how these things will go. Because if price does this, if it goes like that and then it comes back again and it crashes, I don't want it. I don't want to trigger it. I mean, because it will not stay here, or it could not. It could very well just lose that support and come back down because it's doing a valley, and yeah, and it might, like here. Look at this. So it goes up, and then comes down. Then tries again. Look, it goes through that support, and then it bounces right through until it touches this level, right? So I don't want price action to do exactly the same and then suddenly goes through and yeah, hits our stop loss in a matter of minutes. So this is a risky one if I leave it open. So I'm gonna close it. Not confident enough. And I'm gonna leave these markings because I want to talk about them when we come back. Because I think it might just do that. So let's cancel. So it went without us, and I don't care about it. It's a day that we don't lose money. Okay, so efficiency in markets. Market efficiency theory. Okay, so it's an hypothesis in financial economics that states that asset prices reflect all available information. The direct implication is that it is impossible to beat the market consistently on a risk-adjusted basis, since market prices should only react to new information. Okay, so this means that markets are random if they are efficient, and thus you cannot predict. However, I've seen Veritasium episode where it's clearly stated that that's not the case. It is possible indeed to predict markets, and we can actually know that because let's just have a look at the Wikipedia thing. I can actually also link this for people who want to dip their toes into the theory, right? Behavior psychology. You start entering into this, into this idea that the market actually reflects group behavior of all participants, and it's like if people get panic, right, they will dump the instrument. The instrument goes down, and there's a crash. So that's how it works. And even Seth think about it. I think. Yeah. Okay. So basically, there's this theory of market, the efficient market theory was actually tested by the behavioral psychology theory. Because of course there's efficiency, right? When you see everyone packing and you have capital, you can actually be a contrarian and bet on it going down, and then when you see bottom, buy it. Like in the bottom, everyone is frightened and fearful. You actually buy them. You just were able to get advantage of one such market inefficiency, and that you were able to understand just by pure behavioral psychology. That's it. That just put completely it on the efficient market hypothesis. But it doesn't mean that at times the market is efficient. It is at times. So be careful. I don't think everything is black and white. These are models and might intertwine. So, of course, then it becomes a matter of modeling, mathematical models that are able to address many kinds of markets. But that goes way back to the point, and I don't know enough to ramble about that as well. So what I do want to say is that, for instance, the medallion fund, performance is just there's no way markets are efficient if the medallion fund performs. So medallion fund Renaissance Technologies, they were the ones that kickstarted the whole algo trading and mathematical model trading, and they want to see performance. I want to see performance. Probably here we'll have a good overview of it. Probably. I want the image. Open image in your tab. So let's see. Okay, I'll link also this post. Yes, like that. To our description. Now, what did these guys do? Captain, no, I don't know. No, I mean, internet sometimes sucks. I want to see the medallion fund. This is net worth of the founder, of one of the founders. I don't want that. Jim Simons. I also don't want that. So it's so hard to find these things. unfortunately. Or is it this one? Well, might be this one. No. Okay, that's it. We have it now. Cool. Let's just open the image as well. Performance of the medallion farm. Oh, they sell this thing? It's so weird. Okay, I don't know. Okay. So these guys created a fund in 84, and back then, like, this is, of course, when things grow so much, then the smaller scale growth will become compressed and you don't quite understand it. So this is what they're showing here. In here we see a more linear growth, right? A little bit more linear, but even though it's like that, we are seeing in 5 years they grew $1 to $3.5, which, I mean, yeah, it was not even that. It was less, right? So $3. So it was 3 times in 5 years. Good, but perhaps good for the times, not for now. This, by now, we would, I mean, in 5 years' time, $100 will probably be worth the same as $30 right now. So that's not good for today's, at least. So then you can actually have an idea that they're probably showing $1 and their share becomes $250 by 2003. We don't have current performance, but reporting start in March 2003. Okay, interesting. I don't know. Okay. And this is amazing. And if you calculate the growth ratio of this fund, it just blows one mind. I mean, of course they're rich. Of course they became some of the most rich people in the planet, right? If you have 1 million, 250 million in decade, and this is basically using a fund that uses mathematical modeling. Go look at the history of Jim Simons, who evidently passed away a couple months ago, or a month, or a couple weeks ago. I don't know. I don't know exactly, but you can have a look very quick. Jim Simons. He died May 10th. Yes, a month ago. So, yeah, this guy invented it, or Aeons, other people, but he was the mastermind behind it, and left a net worth of 31.4 billion. So he was not born wealthy. That's interesting. He was a mathematician known for a theorem. I don't recall the name. Has to do with surfaces. So it's a very cool one for physics, differential calculus and whatnot. But he worked in cryptography, and it is known that from that work he actually envisioned a way to retrieve signals from noise and do mean reversion and whatnot, and couple all of that together with other mathematicians that he hired to then build this. So it's highly scientific, and of course none of the material is known. He will not, the fund will not share, right? They don't share power, and but it's a proof. It's a well-known proof that market is not efficient. That's it. Yes, 66% of return year over year for 30 years and generated 100 billion. Yeah, very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. The Man Who Solved the Market. It's a book. I want to read it. So I can actually also share the book and not this. So the man. Yeah. So unfortunately today there are no more trades. That's unfortunate. We found nothing interesting. You know what? What the heck? I think I'm gonna do it. It was 1,500 something, or 2,500. 2,500. I don't recall exactly, but let's have a look. So we will enter stop level of 1.5.495. Take profit 1.49.0, and let's confirm. Oh, okay. Okay, that one. No, it's here. And this one is 145. Yeah, this one 145.495. And why is it complaining? Stop loss price must be lower than the order price. The order price. Oh, okay. Last price. Let's just put for now last price. And I just want to do here something. Okay, 146.512. Now I don't understand. I have a stop loss price less than the order price. I have a profit bigger than the order price. What's it complaining about? This must have crashed or something. I don't know. Software thing is so bad. It makes me wonder if we should use it. Honestly. Yeah. Profit. Okay, now it's profit. Potential profit. And potential loss. And the loss is super big. Because our entry price is wrong. Okay. Confirm. Let's change entry price. Let's have a look into the profit and the stop loss. Okay. Yeah, it's way bigger than we had previously. So let's do 1,500. And now we're there. Okay, cool. Okay. And why? Wait. Did I see it right? That's a marketable order. Shouldn't be marketable order. Oh well. Let it go. We'll do it. We'll do it. You know what? We'll do it, but let's yeah. Well, let's do risk this a lot. I don't want to lose that much. So let's do a quarter. Yeah. So basically 250 plus 100, 350, 375, something like that. Yeah. Just, yeah, better with the risk. Okay. And now I want to talk about the next thing, which is something I've been toying with. Why that trend? But it's going. Sure. So I'm trying to figure out how to do other instruments because Bitcoin has been going crazy, and all other coins follow Bitcoin, so it becomes a little tricky to trade when everything is correlated. So I wanted to try other kinds of instruments. Sorry, other instruments. And one of them is Forex, or Forex has a bunch of coin pairs. So I've been looking at that, and I've been trying with the new account to do something. So this is an account that I created in this exchange. I'm not affiliated with any of these things. I don't care about them. And I connected it, and now I'm trading. So I lost this trade. I went out of this trade because I thought, it's so weird. I don't understand it. I didn't do levels, nothing. I don't know anything about this. It's just I'm trying to figure out like if I can use my strategies that I used in the past. If I can do things like I could have probably entered there to do a long, but the price moves so slowly, so slowly. And if you look at 1 minute, for instance, look at this. It's super slow, super weird, completely different from crypto. But it's also more stable. It follows a more interesting path that I like. I find interesting. So I'm looking into, and I'm gonna try to do some algorithmic trading on them as well, on these currency pairs that I'm looking at. So I'll probably start doing these big trades that are hours linked and start doing others. So I'm gonna actually now do one thing. I'm gonna trade. I'm gonna buy 10 lots. I'm gonna sell 10 lots, and yeah. So did you sold it or just in order? Let's refresh. Close. Okay. Did it enter? This is a position. Oh, this is another position. Oh no, two positions. Interesting. This is different. I wasn't used to this. Now I have two positions up. If okay, so what happened? Let me think about this. So if I leave this open and stop loss, what happens if I move? I'm piling up. I need to research about these things because I know we could do fanciful ideas like making multiple trades on top of each other, but I'm not. First, I'm tired. Second, muted. So still learning. I don't know. What if I do the synthetic profit, modify? Okay, we do the same. And we move both a little bit up. I don't know what I'm doing here. Probably I'll just wipe or something. I don't know. Yeah, let's hope it goes as planned. And because why, right? Why did I think that? Because of this, like it has, there's what appears to be something going on here, and it bounced again, and my goal is that it bounces again. Yeah, that's the goal, and hopefully it will not just go up like it came from above, so probably will go above again, but yeah, that's the goal. Okay, I need to learn a lot about this new behavior because it's completely new for me. And let's have a look at the previous ones that I did, because I did a couple ones. I did a couple ones. Where are they? So weird to get them. Come on. Where can I see the history? All? Filled? Yeah, okay, I don't recall. I don't recall where to go. So yes, if I don't know, I will not pursue. So I will not waste time doing that, and hopefully another day I'll be able to get it. I might GPI USD GPI. Yeah, okay. One was here. Yes, it was this one, but I just decided to. I just decided to move the stop loss and protect and actually capture something. I didn't decide to go through because I thought it's in the middle. So we've reverted back to the middle, and I just captured that. And then I don't recall the other one. I did another one that was about the same, but I don't recall, because that's why we have 99. Because if you look at this trade, first I lost like 2K or something. So I should be at 98, but I'm at 99 again. So I've been doing some fashionable things, like I want this half, I want the other one half, I want another one half, and now I'm here in this mess. That probably will cost me dearly. Okay, that's it on my side. I don't have any crypto trade for today, and that's it. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you next time. This is not financial advice. Do your own research. Bye bye.